what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best pressure cookers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best pressure cooker options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which pressure cookers is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus Multi-Use Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Plus features 9 cooking functions like sous vide, saute, and steam, and 25 recipe presets. We tested a previous Instant Pot version of this model and found it worked like a charm, cooking up soup that tasted like grandma's, creamy risotto, and tangy yogurt. We also loved the sterilize function. This new model is just as comprehensive and improves upon its intuitiveness with a display that tells you exactly what's happening inside and offers twice as many options: think eggs, beans, soup, and more. Its steam release function is as quiet as advertised, not to mention it's a seamless and safe way to finish off your recipes. With a 6-quart capacity, there is plenty of space to cook a family-sized meal, and it does so much faster that you could accomplish with a conventional oven or an slow cooker. Keeping with the theme of ease of use, while it doesn't feature many functions like more advanced cookers, this model is great for beginners or people who don't need as many bells and whistles. What we love the most about this model is its reasonable price. Number 2. Breville Fast Slow Pro Multifunction Cooker. The Fast Slow Pro is swankier than most pressure cookers, and it offers tons of customizable cooking settings. You can control the precise temperature and pressure level, and you can choose between auto quick, auto pulse, or natural pressure release. It even has an altitude adjust feature. Just program your current altitude, and it will fine-tune the time and temperature settings to match your boiling point. Settings are included for vegetables, rice, soup meat, bone-in meat, chili stew, dessert, and more. Unlike other models we tested, however, it did not have a delay start setting. During testing, this produced the most tender pressure-cooked stew out of all the machines we tested, leaving the meat and veggies perfectly cooked and the broth rich in color and flavor. And perhaps best of all, though it's a relatively sophisticated appliance, testers found the LCD screen and knob controls intuitive and easy to use. Number 3. Cuisinart 6-quart high-pressure multi-cooker. The large LCD screen makes it easy to read each function, and the clearly labeled buttons are lit, making everything easy to see. Though easy to use, it has advanced functions that the other multi-cookers lack. Once the timer finishes, a new stopwatch will show the time that the food has been sitting in the cooker. When coming to pressure, progress bars appear on the screen to let you know what stage the machine has reached. The same will happen when it's releasing pressure. Bars will lessen until all pressure is released. This multi-cooker won top scores for beef stew, making the most tender meat compared to all other multi-cookers, though the meat when cooking beef stew on the slow cooker function wasn't as tender as it was when using the pressure cooker function. The twist-off lid is easy to open and close, so you never have to worry about it being properly aligned. Unlike other pressure cookers, the sealing gasket comes off for cleaning by hand or in the dishwasher. There is no exposed pressure valve, so for those who are afraid of releasing pressure, this model will help relieve some of your number 4. Chef IQ Smart Cooker. We love the Chef IQ Smart Cooker for its gorgeous build and customizable cook functions. You can dictate almost all aspects of each setting. For example, its ferment function allows you to adjust the fermentation temperature, making it more versatile than the Instant Pot's yogurt function. Designed for chefs by chefs, this pressure cooker offers some small but impactful details. It has a built-in tare function, so you can weigh ingredients directly into the pot and minimize dishes from building up in the sink. It also displays exactly how much pressure is building up in the cooker. This way, anxious cooks can more accurately estimate how long it'll take until dinner is ready. Plus, you can choose when and how pressure is released after cooking. So if you opt for immediate quick release, the cooker will automatically beep to let you know it's about to release pressure on its own. This pressure cooker also connects easily to the Chef IQ app, which is beautifully designed and full of recipes and tips. It's not required to sync the two before use, so you can add on the app at any point. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo 67-in-1. The Duo remains one of Instant Pot's top sellers, making it a worthwhile test. But after putting the Duo through its paces, we have to say that it ranks firmly in the middle of the pack. The Duo made good soup and decent risotto, but flubbed on the slow cooker chili. Even after 12 hours of slow cooking, the onions were not cooked and the chili was more soup than a thick stew. It also struggled with yogurt, unable to bring the milk up to the proper temperature without switching out of the yogurt function and into saute. It was also the slowest to come up to pressure during cooking, often leaving me to wonder if we had set it correctly at all. With so many other options on the market, including newer Instant Pots, we would personally skip the Instant Pot Duo in favor of a slightly more robust pressure cooker. Number 6. Presto canner and cooker look no further than this model by none other than Presto, one of the most respected names in the canning sphere. This model is made from aluminum for even heating and can be used as a water bath canner as well as a large capacity pressure cooker. 23 quarts, that is. However, since it's aluminum, you should avoid using it for acidic foods like tomatoes. It includes a dial gauge to precisely monitor internal pressure, which is important when pressure canning and canning at a high altitude, as well as a rack, and it holds up to 7 1-quart jars or 2 layers of 10-pint jars. During testing, we found that this ran like clockwork, the locking cover felt firm and secure, and And the size was ideal for pressure canning quarts of baked beans and turning a bumper crop of rhubarb into 13 12-ounce jars of sauce in a single water bath batch. Just know that you will likely have to bring water to the canner rather than setting the canner in the sink, as it didn't fit in the basin or under the faucet. As for cleaning, do not immerse the pressure cooker lid in water and be careful with the delicate dial gauge. Before using it for canning, test the gauge to ensure it's accurate. Number 7. Ninja Foodi XL 14-in-1 8-quart Ninja's popular entry in the pressure cooking market doubles as a pretty solid air fryer. Pressure cooked food, especially meat, is often moist and delicious, but occasionally comes out looking a little pallid. Most pressure cookers can cook a whole chicken in half an hour, but only Ninja Foodi XL 14-in-1 can make one that actually looks appetizing. The Ninja's patented Steam Crisp technology cooks food fast while accomplishing something few pressure cookers can do: browning. We eat with our eyes first, after all. This doesn't end with caramelizing meat. Ninja Foodi XL doubles as an air fryer. It even comes with a dedicated air frying basket and a multi-tiered insert to cook up to 3 layers of food at once. If you have to feed a bunch of people at once, this is a godsend feature. Just make sure you check the measurements of your kitchen before buying it. It takes up quite a bit of space and clocks in at just over 25 pounds, so moving it regularly could become a chore. Number 8. Cuckoo Premium 5-quart Electric Cooker. This attractive pressure cooker comes with all the functions you want and a few you didn't know you needed. Most pressure cookers, even on the higher end of things, tend to all run together design-wise. The Cuckoo Premium Multi-Cooker is a clear outlier. This popular Korean brand doesn't just look like a Star Trek prop, it's got some space-age features as well. The LED screen operates by touch and lets you customize speed, cook time, and even the amount of pressure. The inner pot is stainless steel, so for efficient heating and cooking. Cuckoo gets hot and stays hot until dinner is ready. And while it's a good bit clunkier than other models, it's attractive enough to live on your countertop. It's an appliance you can use to wow friends and dazzle enemies. Plus, it even responds to voice commands and has a self-cleaning mode. Let's see an Instant Pot do that.